Let's go to June in Orlando. June, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
I have a will and a trust with two heirs, and I heard this woman, where the brother had died, and that would go to his heirs. I want to know, is it feasible to get an addendum saying that while that's being processed after I pass on,
yes,
if one of those heirs dies, that the money goes to the other heir and not to not to the
June,
other family.
if that is of concern to you, you can definitely do that. So, for example, your trust right now states if I pass away, my wealth goes equally to my children, period.
Yes.
They survive you by one day, they're going to get it, or it's going to go to their estate. You could change your trust to say, when upon my death, I leave my wealth equally to my children, provided each one of them survives me by 60 days, 90 days, 6 months, whatever you want. You can put that qualifier on it. So if they happen to die during that period of time, they would not get their share of your wealth. Does that make sense?
No. What I'm saying is if one of them passes away, like you said, that money that the brother had would go to his heirs.
Yes.
I wouldn't want the money to go to my children's heirs. I would want the surviving one to get it all.
Well, then, June, let's start from the beginning. Your trust right now says upon your death, everything goes equally to your children.
Yes.
Once they inherit your wealth, it is theirs to do with as they please. Give it to their spouse, give it to their kids, whatever. If you don't like that idea, what you'd have to say, June, is, hey, upon my death, rather than give my wealth outright to my children, it will stay in trust for their benefit. And as we spend this principal and income for them, and as they pass away, it will be for the surviving of my kids. So you're putting some substantial strings on it, you might say, June.
No, what I'm saying is the person that called you said that one of the brothers.
Yeah, June,
away.
I know what the person called me said, but I'm still not clear on what you're trying to ask me or what you're trying to accomplish.
I'm trying to say if I die and while it's being processed, one of them passes away, I don't want the money.
All right, and I thought I covered that in two possible ways, June, so you're not understanding me or I'm not understanding you. I'm not clear about that yet. But, June, here's the bottom line. Your wishes can be accomplished. All right, so you go see an attorney or the attorney that did your trust, or if you want, you can come see me. I do living trust. I'd be happy to assist you with it, June, and we can take care of that for you.